The Ford Ranger has leveled up. It's now categorized as a midsize, leaving a gap in Ford's product line. So enter the Maverick. The Maverick is a true compact pickup, thanks to the Ranger leaving some space in the product line, and it is fantastic. A little bit of a different design philosophy in the Maverick, while the Ranger and the larger F-Series is built on rugged body and frame truck-based architecture. The Maverick is a little bit different. It's actually based on unibody architecture. Remember the El Caminos and stuff like that? Well, probably not an exact analogy, but somewhat close. Yeah, the Maverick is built a lot more like a car. I actually think those old El Caminos were actually body and frame back in the days when they built cars on body and frames, but the Maverick now is built on unibody architecture. In fact, it shares its platform with the Bronco Sport, which we see over here, which is a unibody-based compact crossover. Obviously, this is not designed for hardcore pickup truck use, for like people in the trades and stuff like that. A lot of businesses and stuff like that like to use the Mavericks because they're fuel efficient and they do have some storage and stuff like that. But obviously, you're not going to see like carpenters and plumbers usually driving a Maverick. They're going to go for the larger vans and pickup trucks. But for a daily driver, casual pickup truck use with its small footprint, it's very easy to park and maneuver in a city and urban environment. Yeah, it's still very capable. With the FX4 Off-Road package, this one is fantastic for light off-roading. Obviously, you're not going to go rock crawling in it like a Bronco. With the 4K tow package, which this one has, you can tow up to 4,000 pounds. And it's pretty fun to drive. This one features a turbocharged 2-liter engine pumping out 250 horsepower. 0 to 60, a little over 6 seconds. That's almost like performance car territory. This is a nice, clean example, 2022, in beautiful shape, lovely color combination, and very nicely equipped with a Lariat package with this nice soft tonneau cover, spray and bed liner, integrated power outlet, LED bed lighting, and we have this bed extender. This has a small 4.5-foot bed, so that bed extender allows the bed to increase in size to about 6 feet, making it a little bit more practical. You can fit some larger dimensional lumber and things like that. Also, payload capacity is not too bad. If I remember correctly, it's right around 1,500 pounds, which is pretty good for such a small vehicle. With 4 doors, it also makes a great family vehicle. I love the Lariat trim package. This has a Lariat Ultimate package. Very nice with this beautiful 2-tone synthetic leather. Maverick is a handsome looking vehicle indeed. There's that fantastic 2-liter turbocharged engine, 250 horsepower. It's a hoot to drive. It's really quick. And with its unibody-based architecture, it has car-like driving dynamics. This one has a nice husky all-season mass. I love the contrasting colors in the interior. And even though the Maverick is the most affordable vehicle in Ford's product line, they don't skimp on materials. You don't feel like you're in a little cheapskate vehicle. It feels very upscale. The fit and finish, the materials feel really nice, like the contrasting colors and shapes and stuff like that on the doors and the dashboard. We have these nice exposed finishers for a really cool look on the interior. This one has 41,000 miles, but man, it looks and drives like it has half that many miles. Nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, nice contrasting colors and materials on the dashboard, heated front seats. We have an 8-speed automatic transmission. We have a drive mode selector right here. You can push this button. We have normal, tow haul. We have slippery. So this will just kind of calibrate the vehicle for different driving conditions. It'll make changes like traction stability control settings, transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity. We have mud and ruts. We have sand, normal, tow haul. Nice screen for the infotainment system, a parking camera. Well, thanks for joining me in this walk-around video of this beautiful 2022 Ford Maverick. We always have a great selection here at Scarff Ford, new and pre-owned. I don't know if this one's still available when you're watching this video, but I'll have a link down below for our current Maverick inventory, new and used. Check it out. We're Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years. People obviously really like us to stay in business that long. We do right by our customers. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of pre-owned vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.